welcome to Otter HB. Thanks for joining me today. Today, Janine and I are here at Los Angeles Comic-Con 2023. We've never been, and already, what an experience. Just kind of looking and seeing everything that is around you. It is amazing. I already highly recommend come down and see this. I don't know what to expect. We're just here and I want to share it with you. So if you enjoy the video, make sure you go to the channel, subscribe, watch some videos. There's just so much stuff between air shows, Comic-Con, you name it, it's there. Let's go experience. Let's go.
Okay, this is a first for us. In our effort to never be boring, here we are at Comic-Con. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's your YouTube channel. Perfect.
That's all right. It's funny, when they say it's here at the convention center, it is everywhere. I think more buildings, more everything.
Wear your walking shoes for sure.
Walk from here to there and keep your eyes open. It's just amazing.
Cool. That's darling. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Thanks, guys.
Okay, so I think we finally made it to like one of the main halls. That is what Comic-Con is, kind of. I mean, you think, well, this is what Comic-Con is. I think what Comic-Con is walking around in the halls and looking at everything and going, oh my gosh, but it is pretty cool looking to see all the stuff that's around.
Has literally like a stack of 60 photos at like $50 a pop.
It's just insane. So we have some speakers here. We have speakers in here. We have people signing autographs, things for sale, everything you can think of, artwork.
It was just joyous. There was a lot of joy on set. We had I went home and I ate dinner, and then I got up and I ate breakfast, and here I am. And then the next day, good morning, May. Come on.
Okay, here we go. It's, as I said, there's so much to see and everything, but you walk and something stops you. And I know what it is. It's always passion and commitment that stops me. And you go, look at the time and the love and the passion that looks like went into this. We have two people here. We have...
Hi, I'm Lisa Weber. And I am Kelly Sue Milano.
So we have the two. Lisa does the artwork.
That's right.
And I'm sorry, I'm so bad with names.
Kelly Sue writes the comic.
Kelly Sue writes the comic. So the comic is X11. And what's the story?
The story is Harry Potter meets Blade Runner. It is a futuristic world where magic has been discovered as a new technology, so we can download magical abilities to ourselves the way you would download an app to a phone. But there are naturally magical people who have now been shoved out of the society as a result, and one of them is Eleanor, who is the hero of our story. She's a young witch in training under a master oracle, and in the very first issue, she stumbles upon a magical firefight between a government-sanctioned demon mercenary and a black market magic dealer. Chaos ensues, and now here we are 16 issues later.
Oh my god. Okay, Hex 11. It kind of got me. I
mean,
it's really something. Hex 11, you got to go look at it. The story sounds like you're gonna get stuck and you're gonna get tied in, and it's all like, why did I start
Once you're
this?
in, you're done.
Because now it's done. So much fun. Hex 11, go see it. 1, 2.
Okay, ready? Thank you.
It's just awesome. I hope I'm doing this justice. I mean, there's just so much to see, and the best part is, if this is your world and you're here to buy something, it has got everything. It's pretty cool.
What is that? I don't know.
Like another convention hall over here.
You know, as you walk around, it's just, all of a sudden something just stops you. And I was looking at this right here, and it's
Yeah.
called the Sapphire Directive. And hold on, I'll have someone tell you who it is.
There we go.
What do we got?
All right, man, so we got the Sapphire Directive. Issues 1 through 3 are out now. Sapphire Directive is essentially Resident Evil meets Silent Hill in an LA noir detective story. Detective Maya Torres has to find out who's putting this new drug on the street, turning the homeless into monsters.
Sounds interesting, guys. I
Okay,
like it.
here's the problem with just hearing that. And I'm not a comic book guy. Now I want to read it. I'm gonna get it, and now I gotta follow it. So
Yeah, it's for adults.
I would have had that one.
hey guys, the work is Inverted Minds. Here's our artist, and your name is?
Melissa?
Melissa does amazing work. As I was walking by, you just look, and it's not that one thing catches your eye. It's everything does. You start looking at one and just start going. You start going, look at that, look at that. So we got lucky, we got to see this. We met Melissa, Inverted Minds. She's the artist and the creator. It's got to be a ton of passion behind this.
A lot, yes. Passion is the right word.
Either passion or an addiction. One of the two, right?
What's the difference?
Welcome to, you're in LA, you're at Comic-Con. You get hungry, it is food truck mecca. And there is everything here.
Here's your napkin.
Hey, thanks for joining us. Welcome to Comic-Con LA 2023. How exciting was that? The passion, the commitment, the excitement. It's been so much fun. I'm glad you joined me. If you haven't already subscribed, go to the channel, watch some videos. This is what you get. This is what I bring you. It's amazing. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you on the next one. Spider-Man conga line? When do you see that?